Hello everyone, this is Gary from Big Spud and I hope you're well. Today a really quick and easy recipe for potato wedges that comes from my book 50 Ways with Spuds. Link on how to buy it is down below. So potato wedges, dead easy, as long as you follow a few simple rules. First of all, the type of potato you use. It has to be a floury type. Here I'm using a red potato, a variety called Laura, but you could use Maris Piper or anything that's good for roasting or baking. Cut the potatoes into, funnily enough, wedge-shaped slices. You can usually get 6 to 8 out of a decent sized potato. Then you need to make your oil and spice mix seasoning. You need about 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil, to which you'll add whichever herbs and spices take your fancy. Think about what else you're serving it with and get it to match that. So here today, about a tablespoon of paprika, a huge pinch of oregano, and quite a bit of salt and pepper as well. The secret here is to add a little bit of sharpness. A big splash of red wine vinegar makes all the difference. Then you'll need to get your oven on high, about 200 degrees C. Distribute them on the tray, allow the extra oil to trickle over the top of them. Arrange them neatly, try and get them into one layer. The bits that connect with the baking tray will go nice and crisp. If they pile on top of each other, they'll start to steam. After about 20 minutes, give them a turn. Free them from the bottom of the roasting tray so that you can cook the other side as well. After about another 20 to 25 minutes, it should be done. You should be able to poke a fork into it really easily, and they should have a dry, crisp, rustling sound when you shake them. And there you have it, potato wedges. Easy to pimp up, change the spices, get them working exactly the way you want. All you need now is some mayo, some ketchup, or something else tasty to dip in. If that was any use to you, please hit like, and if you could hit subscribe, that'd make my day. Thanks.